Understanding the phrase, rolling in dough, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fun and interesting phrase, rolling in dough. This phrase is a colorful part of English slang, and understanding it can give you insight into how language can be playful and metaphorical. Let's dive into the world of idioms and discover what it means to be rolling in dough. The phrase, rolling in dough, is an idiom in English. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that's different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. Rolling in dough means having a lot of money, or being very wealthy. It's a way to describe someone who is financially prosperous in a very informal and vivid manner. The word, dough, here is a slang term for money, and rolling suggests abundance or a large amount. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help us remember their meanings. The phrase, rolling in dough, likely comes from the literal action of rolling out dough in cooking or baking. When you roll dough, it spreads out and covers more space. Similarly, when someone is rolling in dough, their wealth is implied to be spreading out or expanding. It's a playful image that helps to convey the idea of plenty or excess. To get a feel for how this phrase is used, let's look at some examples. 1. After his app was bought by a major tech company, he was rolling in dough. 2. She doesn't need to work anymore. She's rolling in dough after winning the lottery. 3. I dream of the day when I'll be rolling in dough and can travel the world. In these sentences, the phrase is used to express the idea of having more than enough money to do something, often in a dream or aspirational context. It's also useful to know some similar phrases or synonyms. Here are a few. Loaded, informally means having a lot of money. Filthy rich, a more exaggerated way to say someone is extremely wealthy. Well off, a more formal term for being in a good financial position. Understanding these similar phrases can enhance your English vocabulary and comprehension. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, rolling in dough. Idioms like this make English a fun and dynamic language to learn. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be rolling in linguistic skills. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.